Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Home Living. My channel's focus is to make life easier. My topics will cover cooking, gardening, and cleaning. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to cook beef soup, or in the Philippines, we call it Nilagang baka. First, I season my beef with salt and marinate it for 15 minutes. I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm kinda not feeling good today. What I do when cooking beef soup is I brown it first because browning the beef give it an umami flavor. To achieve that is you have to have a very hot pot, and then you put the beef and it sizzle. We will brown both sides of the beef for 5 minutes. As you notice, I have a big bone of beef in here. That's to add more flavor for our soup. After browning our beef, we are going to transfer it in a stock pot to boil the beef. You can put as much water as you want. Since my family, especially my kids, love soup, so I will be putting a lot of soup on my beef soup. I mean a lot of water. We are not gonna put anything just yet until we remove all the scum. To do that, we will let our beef soup boil, and then once the scum floats on top, we will remove all of it, or we will remove as much scum as we can. This is a way to remove the impurities from the soup. These are the ingredients we're gonna put in our beef soup: peppercorn, 1 cup carrots, bay leaf, onions cut lengthwise, whole garlic, no need to chop, 2 stalked celery, chopped. I am putting 2 cups of potatoes. My son loves potatoes. Green beans, and for seasoning, we are using fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, you can season it with salt. As you notice, I have 2 kinds of onions, the red onions and the yellow onions. You can use any kind of onions that you want. We also gonna add garlic, peppercorn, and bay leaf. We are going to simmer this for an hour or so, depending how tough your beef are. If you notice your soup are getting low, you can always add some more water. Check your beef if it's tender. If it's not, cook it longer. Mine are still tough, so I'll cook it for 30 more minutes. After 30 more minutes, I am going to season my soup with fish sauce. You can season it with salt if that's what you prefer. And then I am going to add the potatoes and the carrots. And I will be simmering it for 50 more minutes. After 15 minutes, once the potatoes are tender, we are going to put the green beans and the celery and simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes. If you have leafy vegetable like bok choy, cabbage, or napa cabbage, you can add it in for 3 more minutes, and that's it, you're done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And for more of this video, you can subscribe or follow my YouTube channel or Facebook page at Easy Home Living.